everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share my unforgettable trip from Atlanta to Old Trafford Stadium, where I witnessed Manchester United take on Liverpool in a nail-biting 4-3 victory. Let's dive into the electrifying atmosphere and my overall experience. The journey from Atlanta to Manchester was long, but the anticipation kept me going. Arriving at Old Trafford, the energy was palpable as fans from around the world gathered to support their teams. The atmosphere inside the stadium was electric, with chants and cheers echoing throughout. However, it's evident that Old Trafford is in desperate need of renovation. I guess they don't call it Old Trafford for nothing because, baby, that stadium is old as a dinosaur. While the history and tradition are undeniable, reports of mice and a leaking roof have raised concerns. Despite these issues, the passion of the fans and the thrill of the match made for an unforgettable experience. As a fan, I believe the best option for the stadium's future would be for Sir Jim to consider demolishing it and building a new state-of-the-art facility. As for the match itself, witnessing Manchester United secure a 4-3 victory over Liverpool was a dream come true. The intensity on the pitch and the roar of the crowd made it an unforgettable spectacle. In conclusion, my trip to Old Trafford was an experience I'll never forget. While the stadium may be in need of renovation, the passion of the fans and the thrill of the match made it all worthwhile. Thanks for joining me on this epic journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, cheers from Old Trafford.